My people, healing begins when the body is clean. The moment we remove the inflammation, the mucus and the waste, the body starts burning fat the way nature intended. Tonight, I want you to try this simple drink before bed and watch how your body responds while you rest.
Every night while you sleep, your body silently decides whether to burn fat or store it. And if you have stubborn belly fat, especially deep visceral fat around your organs, your body may be storing more fat instead of melting it. But what if one simple drink before bed could, flip that switch in your favor? What if a natural, Dr. Sebi approved nighttime remedy could activate your liver, cleanse your gut, and trigger the release of dangerous hidden fat while you rest? In this video, you will discover the exact drink experts believe can melt visceral fat overnight, especially when taken at the right time before sleep. Stay with me, because this could be the easiest and most powerful nighttime habit to change your health and belly shape faster than anything else you've tried. Visceral fat is one of the most dangerous types of body fat because it hides deep inside your abdomen, wrapping tightly around your pancreas, liver, stomach, and intestines, silently disrupting hormones, slowing metabolism, and damaging organs without showing obvious signs. Studies show that more than 65% of adults over 40 are unknowingly carrying high visceral fat, which explains the stubborn belly bulge, hard stomach bloating, constipation, high cholesterol, and fatigue so many people face daily. Let us move straight to the core of this video and finally reveal the nighttime drink you must take before bed, which is recognized among natural healers and commonly associated with Dr. Sebi's healing principles. The drink is made from 4 powerful ingredients: warm water, lemon juice, ginger powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. These ingredients work together during sleep to increase nighttime fat-burning speed, cleanse the digestive tract, reduce inflammation, improve liver detox, and stimulate metabolism when the body is naturally repairing itself. Warm water is essential because it relaxes the stomach muscles, increases circulation to the digestive organs, and prepares the liver for detoxification, unlike cold water, which slows everything down. Lemon juice, actually alkalizes the body internally, supports liver cleansing, helps prevent fat from storing overnight, and lowers oxidative stress around your organs. And ginger powder, well, it boosts thermogenesis, which means your body burns calories through heat activation, especially right around the abdominal area. Cayenne pepper opens up blood vessels, improves digestion, accelerates waste removal, and helps prevent blood sugar from converting into visceral fat while you sleep. When combined, these ingredients create a gentle but powerful metabolic push that supports your body during the hours you are not eating or moving. This is actually pretty important because your body burns more visceral fat during sleep than during any other time, if your digestion is clean and your liver is functioning properly. But for millions of people, digestion just stays slow at night because of things like poor dinner habits, late night snacking, acidic foods, and even constipation. All of that really cuts down your fat-burning ability in a big way. This drink, though, it corrects that whole cycle naturally. As the drink makes its way into your stomach, it actually signals your body to get started on cleansing, releasing toxins, and, even stimulating a bowel movement for the morning. The ginger and cayenne in it also help reduce inflammation inside your gut lining, which is actually a big reason for weight gain and a sluggish metabolism. People who deal with bloating, acid reflux, constipation, gas, bad breath, that heavy feeling in the morning, slow digestion, belly stiffness, or even stubborn hard fat, well, they'll notice the difference as their body starts flushing out waste instead of just holding on to it. Now, you may wonder how a simple drink taken before bed can achieve this effect. Because, you see, nighttime is when your liver does most of its cleaning work. It filters the blood, processes toxins, manages stored energy, and burns fat. When the liver is overloaded with toxins, sugar, processed oils, or mucus, it stops burning fat and begins storing it, especially around the midsection. This is why people wake up with a swollen belly and low energy. But when the liver is supported with alkaline anti-inflammatory ingredients, it begins burning stored fat instead. This drink is not meant to be a magic potion. It is a trigger. It switches your body from storage mode to fat-burning mode during sleep. Another reason this drink is so effective is because visceral fat is strongly connected to inflammation, and both ginger and cayenne pepper are powerful anti-inflammatories. They cool down the internal inflammation that blocks weight loss. Lemon, on the other hand, supports healthy stomach acid levels, helping the body digest food better the next day. The warm water carries the nutrients into the bloodstream more quickly and activates the liver drainage pathways. You should drink this mixture 30 to 40 minutes before sleeping on an empty stomach for the best results. You must also understand that the success of this remedy depends on what you do in the evening. If you eat heavy dinners late at night, especially fried food or dairy, the liver cannot burn fat effectively, even with the drink. To maximize benefits, try to have your dinner earlier, reduce sugar at night, and keep your portion sizes lighter. Many people believe belly fat comes from overeating alone, but research shows that slow nighttime metabolism is the real enemy. If the digestive system is not clearing properly while you sleep, fat storage increases. This drink solves that by improving digestion when it matters most. You will notice that your stomach feels lighter when you wake up. You feel more energetic. Your bowel movement becomes easier. Your belly appears less swollen, and your digestion improves in the first week. The drink supports liver function, boosts metabolic heat, reduces inflammation, and promotes deep sleep, all of which increase visceral fat burning. People with diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, fatty liver, and obesity often experience stubborn visceral fat because the liver is overloaded. This drink supports the body without chemicals or synthetic fat burners. Just remember, consistency is key. Use it every night for at least 2 weeks. Then observe the changes in your belly area, your energy levels, your sleep quality, and your digestion. Most people never realize how deeply nighttime habits affect their belly fat, especially visceral fat, because the average person believes fat loss happens only during the day when we are active, walking, or exercising. But in reality, the most crucial fat-burning process happens when the body is asleep. When your system is at rest, the liver begins detoxifying the blood, filtering toxins, breaking down stored fat, and releasing waste into the intestines so it can leave the body the next morning. However, this cleansing process cannot happen properly if the body is overloaded with late-night meals, high-sugar dinners, emotional eating, phone usage before bed, or stress-related snacking. These habits cause hormonal imbalance, increased insulin levels, a rise in cortisol, and digestive pressure, forcing your body to store fat instead of burning it. This is why many people notice their stomach looks bigger in the morning rather than smaller. But when you drink the nighttime remedy consistently, the body begins to reverse this problem. The warm water helps soften hardened fat around the organs and encourages easier digestion. Lemon works to purify the blood and activate liver detox activity naturally. Ginger enhances calorie burning and restores gut function, while cayenne pepper increases circulation, helping the body wake up refreshed instead of feeling heavy and tired. Over time, this nightly ritual tells your internal system to release deep stored fat rather than holding onto it. You may notice improvements in sleep quality as well, which is critical because the better the sleep, the more visceral fat is burned. Poor sleep increases cortisol dramatically, and cortisol directly signals the body to store fat around the belly. A calmer gut produces calmer sleep, which accelerates healing from within. But drinking the remedy alone is not enough if harmful nighttime habits continue. For maximum effect, you must avoid eating 3 hours before bedtime because, digestion slows down dramatically while you sleep, meaning food just sits in your stomach and turns into fat. You should also stay away from dairy products at night, like milk, cheese, paneer, or curd, because they cause inflammation and mucus buildup in the digestive tract, which slows down your metabolism. It's also a good idea to reduce sugar in the evening, especially sweets, sugary tea desserts, or late-night snacks like biscuits or chips. Many people unknowingly destroy their metabolism by eating fruit late at night, especially bananas, mangoes, or grapes. Your body sees that sugar the same way it sees dessert, and it increases fat storage. If you truly want visceral fat gone, you must protect your nighttime window. You should also aim to keep dinner lighter than lunch. A heavy dinner guarantees slower metabolism and higher morning bloating. Instead, dinner should be simpler, more alkaline, and fiber-focused to support cleansing while resting. Now, let us discuss how you know whether your visceral fat level is increasing inside your body. The warning signs include a tight, hard upper belly beneath the ribs, shortness of breath after climbing stairs, constant fatigue, increasing waist size, interrupted sleep, random chest discomfort, slow digestion, and waking up with gas or acidity. If you ignore these signs for too long, the fat eventually compresses organs, reduces blood flow, and increases inflammation inside the body. This is why the nighttime drink is such a powerful tool, because it helps reverse the root cause rather than just treating symptoms. Ginger and cayenne reduce inflammation. Lemon helps remove toxins. Warm water relaxes the gut. And, consistent use helps you wake up lighter. However, there are some people who must take precautions. Those with ulcers in the stomach should avoid cayenne pepper. If you are on strong blood thinner medicine, consult your doctor before using high amounts of ginger. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should always get medical advice before drinking herbal remedies regularly, and people with severe gastritis should start with very mild doses before increasing. If you experience burning, just reduce the amount of cayenne. But for the majority of people, this remedy is mild, natural, and safe when taken correctly. Now, how long should you use it? You should drink it for 14 nights straight, then take a 3-day break and continue again for another 14 nights if results are still needed. Most people begin noticing results between 5 and 10 days, such as a lighter feeling in the belly, reduced morning bloating, improved bowel movement, more energy, softer belly area, and better sleep. Many people report waking up with a noticeably flatter stomach after just 1 week of consistency. Another crucial point is water intake throughout the day. If you do not hydrate enough during the daytime, your nighttime detox process will not work correctly. Therefore, drink water consistently every few hours. Eating alkaline vegetables, healthy greens, and anti-inflammatory foods during the day also supports this remedy. A liver that is nourished burns more fat than a liver that is stressed. You should also understand a powerful truth. Your body does not want to hold fat. It wants to stay balanced. The only reason visceral fat accumulates is because the system becomes overwhelmed. Once internal cleansing begins, the body automatically reduces stored fat without any force. This nighttime drink helps initiate that cleansing. Finally, remember this: weight loss does not begin with exercise. It begins with digestion. No matter how hard you exercise, if your liver is blocked, digestion is slow, and inflammation is high, your body will not burn fat efficiently, especially overnight. But as you unclog your digestive system, improve liver function, reduce nighttime acidity, and lower inflammation, the fat burning process becomes natural, and slowly your body will find its healthy weight again. So stay consistent, support your body at night, avoid heavy food late, drink this remedy, and allow your system to heal itself from deep within. Your belly will change, your energy will change, your sleep will transform, and most importantly, your health will begin to repair one night at a time.